Hi everyone. I just opened this, but because I had to message the seller. Um, this is something that I got. Okay, it has my address, so I will not show you the other side. But look at this pretty bag. Wait 1 second. Okay, this says my address, so I'm gonna try not to show my address. So let's just fold it. That's how much it costed it. Okay, it cost $43, but of course your shop discount, shop shipping total, that's how much it came out to, and tax, and then of course the order total. So it makes no difference to me. Okay, it has your how to take care of your mold, and of course thank you, to use it for my next order when I shop from her or him, whoever it is. This is what I got. It's a small, okay, it's a small cross. I plan to get a big one. I didn't open this yet to see if there's any damages, which I think I better open it up. I haven't opened it up yet, so you know what, I'm gonna open it up right here. So wait 1 second, okay? Okay. I was having trouble taking this saran wrap, but anyway, it is a saran, right? Yeah, I better, whatever. The stuff you use for chicken and meat, whatever, sandwiches, anything. You can use that saran wrap for anything anyway. And the mold seems to be fine. I don't see anything freaking wrong with it. Let me take a look. Okay, seems to be good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Seems to be like a really nice job that he or she did compared to a cross that I had bought. I bought a real big one and I sent it back. I didn't like the way the mold looked. And I followed them also on Instagram. What are their names? Damn. Oh, I forgot the name of the people. The company also, because I order on their thing. I order a really big cross. See, this one is small. See my hands? Okay? It's a really small cross. But I was trying to get a really big one because I'm trying to make something for someone I know that his mother passed away, and I want to make her a cross with this other mold that I have that I've been saving for a long time. It's I don't know if I showed it on the video. I probably did. I don't remember, but it's hands, and I was gonna, make the hand with the cross in it like that. I might just put this one. I don't know, but I'm gonna see how it looks. But put the cross onto it with her name and everything, because I know he told me that they don't have a plaque. Their thing is something different. It's not like, I don't know how to explain. It just have this thing where they could put flowers or whatever. It's not like she don't have a tombstone. She don't have none of that. They never did it. And I asked him why, and he said, I don't know, the family, they never did it. But I want to make something really pretty for her, for he could just have it, and he could go take it to her gravesite, and have it mounted there with her name engraved and everything. That's what I want to make for him. But yeah, also this seller says, which I will post a little picture. Hopefully, it could go through. With the King Master, whatever. I'm gonna try to put the video with the picture for you to see and read what it says. Cause the person say they'll give you free gifts with some kind of pigment. And I know I messaged the sellers because that wasn't inside my thing in my package. So I was telling the person that they need to take it down. If you're not gonna give, how you gonna say to somebody you're gonna give them something, and I didn't order from that person because of that. Oh, cause when I ordered the cross, I didn't know, and when I read her thing or his, it could be a girl, maybe it is, I don't know. But I read her thing, and it says I got it on Etsy, and it says free gifts and a mica, a powder, or some powder. I'm gonna show you the picture, and you let me know, because I think she or him should just take it down, because when I read it, I was like so happy, like, oh my god, I bought a cross and this is what we're gonna get also with it, free gifts and a powder. Now that was awesome when I seen that. I did not know until I ordered the cross. But yeah, anyway, beside the point, I think they need to take it down, because I really thought something else was gonna come with the cross. I was like excited because I didn't know. I didn't know that they were gonna give something free. Anyway, this is what I got on Etsy, and I will post their whatever you call it. The person's shop is resinqueenshop.etsy.com, which I will put it right there on down below, but I will not put the address or anything. Let me see if I can cover it up. Wait 1 second and I will show you. I don't want to show no addresses. Nothing wrong, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay. That's where I got it from, on Etsy. I think they got a Instagram, because I sworn I just saw something that says Instagram here. Yeah, right here where it says you're 10% off your next order, which I plan to go visit their whatever you call it, their Instagram. I didn't know they have an Instagram, so I should just go visit, or not, I don't know. Anyway, this is the cross, and I freaking love it. I think it's very beautiful. They did a really good job. I wish I could remember the other people that I bought a cross and sent it back. I took pictures and just sent it back. They were like, oh, that I should keep the mold, and I told them no. It had like bubbles and little holes in bubble, which I know that it can tear when you keep using your mold and stuff like that. And nope, they wanted me to keep it, and I said no. And I keep forgetting their names, but I will, once I find it, I'll probably just come back to the video and write it down. Trust me. Bye, everyone.